What's up, everyone? I just wanted to come on quickly to give you a little update about my book. So yesterday I had a conversation with my cousin about my book, and I'm extremely impressed. I'm extremely excited. I'm extremely overjoyed just with the idea of writing a book. Some of the things that I guess didn't really think about. Can you see me? This is weird. Anywho, some of the things that I talked to my mentor about yesterday is just the idea of who the book is for. And I didn't even think as I was writing that depending on some of the content that I write about, or depending on some of the words that I use, it may limit the number of people that actually pick up the book. Just listening to my mentor talk about some of the things that I should be aware about, or I should think about when I'm using different types of words or expressions, it didn't even occur to me that people wouldn't necessarily pick up the book or purchase the book because of those things. But it is definitely a learning experience, and I thought that was very, very interesting because, of course, that would be very, very true. One of the things that I have done, I have changed a lot of I've been trying to continue to go back and look at my story mountain and try to figure out how to make my story feel a number of different ways throughout the story, but also pack a really strong message to my readers. Now, I'm really having a really fun time playing with words and figuring out ways to represent my character across the number of pages in the picture book, and that part has been fun. It's been a little bit frustrating. It's been everything I kind of thought it would be, because for the most part I don't think you just make picture books overnight. So this being my 7th or 8th, I don't even know what edit is this. I think this is my 6th edit. Sometimes in stories I've found that you should be matter of fact. You shouldn't make the reader guess so much or infer as to what you're thinking, because if it's a strong point that you want to get across, you want to make sure that the reader is able to see that. So those are some of the things I've been thinking about. I've been also thinking about, again, who and what this book represents in regards to who I want to see it and feel it the most, and that has definitely played a big role in how I'm writing it, the words that I'm using. It will definitely play a large part in the images that I'm using and the styles. So again, I'm unfortunately, hopefully this isn't the most boring post that you ever see, because it's just kind of like a small update as to what the book looks like. So other than that, I'm gonna try to do some editing today. Once I'm finished doing this editing session, I'm going to hopefully just see that I can get some more edits in. My goal is, get a message here. My goal is to hopefully by the end of the school year, which is not that long from now, is to have the writing portion of this done, so then I can start to storyboard and character develop the illustrations this summer. It's going to be a busy summer. But that's where I'm at with the book. It's cool to go back and look at the progress and see where I've come so far. It does seem like a very slow moving turtle, but I guess that's just kind of the way that it is. I'm out. Until next time, peace.